Let's discuss coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now. All gadgets links in comments and description. Let's start the video. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum is a strong and lightweight cleaner that can help pet owners effectively remove pet hair. With a weight of only 3 pounds and with a possible running time of 17 minutes when utilizing its 14V lithium-ion battery, this cordless vacuum cleaner is highly suitable for spot cleaning on furniture, stairs, and cars. The motorized brush tool could clean the embedded dirt and pet hair, while the triple level of filtration enhances the cleaning. The vacuum cleaner has a decent 7-liter dust bin, which is very easy to dispose of, making it convenient to maintain. Also, for each pet purchased, Bissell contributes 5 to help save pets. Pros: compact and transportable pack, motorized brush with tremendous torque, snap-on vacuum canister, and pet-related charity. Cons: this device has a short battery duration. It has a small dirt cup that can be considered inadequate, especially if you will be doing a lot of cleaning. Next, the SHARGEEK 170 power bank is a sturdy and practical external battery that will appeal to everyone who requires reliable power supply in a mobile environment. Featuring a staggering 24,000 mAh battery capacity and a total of 170 W, this power bank can power up to 3 devices at the same time, including iPhones, MacBooks, and gaming consoles like Steam Deck. It also has 2 140W USB-C charging ports and a USB-A port, all equipped with PD3. One technology to charge and recharge extremely quickly in 45 minutes. The transparent design of the screen informs you of the charging power, time, and battery level through the smart screen display. Also, it has IP66 dust waterproof, which means that it can be used during outdoor activities since it cannot be affected by water. Pros: large power of output, fast charging, bright screen, and water resistant. Cons: intended not for bathing, as well as can be bulky for some users due to its significant dimensions. Next, the Poga Elux PlayStation 5 premium portable console travel case for gamers is designed to accommodate and protect their favorite gaming console and all of its accessories during travels. This aluminum trolley case not only protects your console, but also is provided with 24-inch AOC Full HD gaming monitor with a response rate of up to 165 Hz and the response time of 1 ms for enhanced gameplay. This case has a built-in air circulation system to ensure your PS5 doesn't overheat during gameplay and is IP52 rated for dust and water splash resistance. A detachable trolley and an extra space for a Bluetooth speaker like JBL Go 3 offers a portable drum kit that can be connected instantly for gaming on the road or at someone's house. Pros: transportable and sturdy, gaming monitor of high quality, efficient cooler, and customizable speaker. Cons: high price, and the console is not included in the bundle. Next, the LucaJet Mechanical Crab Bluetooth speaker is a fun and popular portable speaker with an eye-catching design that is quite popular with artists and designers. The Grand X3 is an orange speaker with 360 degrees stereo sound with a 10W volume booster amp for heavy bass and no distortion at max levels. It provides a reliable link up to 33 feet, making it possible to perform activities such as playing music from your smartphone or computer. This is a rechargeable battery with 2,500 mAh, making the entire speaker to last up to 8 hours before it needs charging again, which is good for parties, for hiking, or for just use at home. Pros: the excellent features include the product's design, stereo sound for excellent sound quality, stable Bluetooth connectivity, and battery longevity. Cons: limited memory storage capacity, and the LED display might not be necessary for all users. Next, the Hofre LED gaming chair is a fascinating combination of both comfort and aesthetics for those gamers who want something special from chairs. This is a very large and tall chair with red and black leather material that comes with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, thus suitable for use by all people. Size is not the only factor here. This chair comes with many conveniences such as dual Bluetooth 5, 3 speakers for 360-degree audio, built-in RGB flashing lights that adds on to the gaming experience, and a massage lumbar cushion with 2 motors for extra comfort while gaming for long periods. The high-density memory foam and snug ergonomic design make sure that the chair conforms to the contours of your body. Also, the retractable footrest means that you can put your feet up and rest when you want to. Pros: heavy-duty carrying capacity, inbuilt speakers, lumbar support with massage and RGB lighting. Cons: they need a power outlet for the lights and the speakers, and the designs are quite daring and can be ill-suited for a given setting. Next, the SCIFANTA portable tennis ball tosser is one of the best innovations that has ever been developed for those who want to edit their tennis skills, whether they are a learner, an experienced, or a trainer. 7 pounds, this small and highly mobile ball launcher provides dependable and accurate feeds every 4 seconds, enabling one to practice forehand, backhand, and volley on one's own. It has control knobs and can pitch balls to a distance of 5-10 feet, making it suitable for all ages of players. It is very easy to assemble, and it takes nearly 10 balls where it could go up to 30+ balls depending on the size of the tennis bag. This machine is suitable for use with differently sized balls as well as standard tennis balls, pressureless tennis balls, and even pickleballs. Pros: compact and easy to carry around. The feeding distance can be changed easily and can be used with various types of balls. Cons: mainly low starting capacity of balls, and extra tracks for more balls require purchasing them as add-ons. Next, Aquasense Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, the BeatBot that makes cleaning your pool easier and faster than ever before. To design this intelligent device, a quad-core one, 8 GHz CPU and 200W brushless motor are supported by AI algorithms and 15 sensors to navigate and clean pools, including above-ground and in-ground structures of up to 2,260 SQ/FT. No matter whether you have to clean the pool floor, walls, or the water line, the Aquasense, with its twin brush system and intelligent path planning, provides powerful suction and optimum cleaning performances. The design of the product allows free movement, and as they can clean for up to 3 hours on a single charge, it's as beneficial as it is efficient. Pros: I would highlight intelligent navigation, great suction, lack of cord, and the ability to easily climb the walls. Cons: they are expensive initially, and the cordless type may need frequent charging for extra large pools. Next, Godox SA-17 Kit is a powerful tool for professional photographers and videographers who need to create sharp lighting effects having Bowens mount LED light. This kit enables the user to use their Godox SL60W, SL62, VL150, and other compatible LED lights to modify the details of the light output. The SA-17 adapter tube fits the SAP projector perfectly and allows attachment of all available accessories like lenses, the adjustable iris, and gobo sets to achieve the desired patterns and control the light during your shoots. Pros: enhances the range of creative lighting opportunities, works with various Bowens mount LED lights, and provides a rich set of additional accessories for precise customization of the light. Cons: it is compatible solely with the SAP projector, which must be purchased separately, and the projector is not waterproof, which restricts its usage in some cases when it is raining. Next, Yoyo 2D Bluetooth Barcode Scanner, the perfect tool for various tasks, including libraries or stock inventory, shops, or other stores. The item is small and has a clip that will enable you to attach the device to the shirt, jeans, or belt for convenience when using it on the move. This scanner has a 2000 mAh battery with an incredible standby time of 20 hours and smart LED indication of the battery status. It presents connectivity options such as Bluetooth and 4G wireless, and USB wired, meaning it can be used with various types of devices such as laptops, smartphones, as well as tablets. Pros: clippable design, long battery life along with battery indicator, multiple connection possibilities, and enhanced scanning efficiency. Cons: power saving requires a different switch, which might be inconvenient for ordinary consumers at times. Next, the Saneen digital camera is a point-and-shoot camera that captures 4K images and videos, which is ideal for vloggers and YouTubers. It has a 64 MP photo resolution and the ability to shoot videos ranging from 4K to 360p, all within a device with great portability and easy-to-manage features. It is touchscreen responsive with a Gesture Zero control system, and this, coupled with the dual lens system that is provided, it is easy to switch from back camera to front camera blogging. It also serves as a webcam with a convenient pause button for recording without interruption. It is easy to share what has been captured due to the camera's Wi-Fi and HDMI output features, which allows for easy display on TVs. Pros: it accommodates extremely detailed 6400 x 6400 pixel picture of 64 megapixels, 4K video, dual lenses, Wi-Fi sharing of files, and blueprint changes to provide webcam services. Cons: co-equal, with a requirement for an externally powered dual-channel microphone for high-fidelity audio acquisition. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.